Petal 2 gives cashback and a chance to grow into a higher limit card, while Petal 1 is built mainly for people who need an easier starting point. That's the whole decision. By the end of this, you'll know which card fits your credit profile, what the real trade-offs are, and which one makes more sense to apply for in 2026. Quick answer first. If your credit is thin or damaged, Petal 1 is usually easier to get. If your credit is decent and you want rewards, Petal 2 is the stronger pick. Start with approvals. Petal 1 was designed for beginners and people rebuilding credit. It looks beyond just your credit score and can factor in banking history. That matters if your file is thin or you've never had a card. Petal 2 usually expects a stronger profile. Not perfect credit, but cleaner recent history. So if your goal is approval first, Petal 1 has the edge. Now look at costs. Both cards are known for avoiding a lot of the usual subprime fees. That's a big deal. No giant setup fee. No security deposit. No annual fee on standard offers. Compare that with some bad credit cards that charge annual fees and start you at a $300 limit. That can trap you in high utilization immediately. Petal's model avoids that. Now, the rewards. This is where Petal 2 separates itself. Petal 2 offers cashback on purchases, which means regular spending can actually earn something back. Petal 1 is much more basic. The goal is building history, not maximizing value. If you're spending on groceries, gas, or bills every month, Petal 2 gives more back over time. Next is growth. Petal 2 generally has better long-term upside, higher potential limits, rewards, and stronger overall value if you keep it. Petal 1 works more like a stepping stone. Use it, build history, improve your score, then upgrade later. So who should you pick? Go with Petal 1 if you're worried about approval, have limited history, or need a first unsecured card. Go with Petal 2 if your credit is more stable and you want rewards plus better long-term value. Quick recap. Petal 1 is easier to start with. Petal 2 gives you more value once you're in. Your next step is simple. Check pre-qualification first. That tells you which card you're likely to get without hurting your score. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point credit card comparisons.